So you've ordered your plants online, but you're not quite sure what to do once they arrive. I'll show you the best way to care for your new houseplants as soon as the postie comes knocking at your door. Step 1, we're going to welcome them. The first step is to take your plants out of the box and say hello. They'll be packed nice and snug in our plant traveller, so just remove the tubes from the cardboard. Hang on tight to it because we don't want you throwing this away. We'll show you what to do with it in just a minute. Step 2, we're going to give them a drink. Your plants have been on a little road trip and they're probably a bit thirsty from their adventure. Fill your sink or a bucket with a few centimetres of water and place your plants in. They'll soak up the water from their roots and we're going to leave them for about 10 to 15 minutes. Step 3, compost the plant traveller. So now that you've taken care of your plants, it's back to the plant traveller. This guy is made from sugarcane waste, making it 100% compostable and biodegradable. Break it up into smaller pieces, throw it around your garden or into your compost. And let's not forget to recycle your box as well. Step 4, scan the QR code. The QR code in your box will take you to our garden coach. There you'll find instructions, tips and tricks on how to look after your new houseplants. Can't plant straight away? No worries, these guys will last in their tubes for months. Just make sure that they're getting nice, bright, indirect light and the correct amount of water.